Yeah. Now, so I'll show. I have already made this one. As you can see, it's not so great. So मैं just बोलती हूँ. I'll try to demonstrate on this what I exactly do and how I go about it. Yeah. So मैं पहले बैंड लगाती हूँ. इसमें थोड़ा defects है यार. Is if you see this is little actually the cavity बहुत deep थी. So band डालने band छोटा था. तो I had to press the band inside. So because of that ये थोड़ा constricted हो गया. ओके तो आई शो यू फर्स्ट व्हाट आई डू इज़ लगा के वेज लगाती हूँ. वेज लगाने के बाद थोड़ा लाइक वंस आई कैन वर्क ऑन इट व्हाट आई डू इज़ होल एंड बैक. तो पहला आई गो अहेड विद द होल एंड बैक along the tooth. First I concentrate on the buccal side. This is the lingual cusp buildup. I concentrate on the buccal. So buccal what I do is पहले आई जस्ट ट्राई इतना ऐसा ही ओरिएंटेशन होता है ना मैनिकिन के मुंह में. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई जस्ट गो अलोंग दिस सेंट्रल ग्रूव दिखता है ना द सेंट्रल ग्रूव. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई जस्ट ड्रॉ द सेंट्रल ग्रूव. आई फील अलोंग द सेंट्रल ग्रूव. सो पहले दिस विल बी माई मूव. तो ये करूँगी. ये करने के बाद okay, so you know this is the central groove of the adjacent tooth. So I want it to be around somewhere around here. So I keep it like this and I draw that M. ठीक है, that M. यहाँ I just draw this first the distal cusp or the mesial anything. First the distal and mesial here the cavity here it will be we're going to build this whole area up, right? So we have to be careful. यहाँ एक groove होता है. If you have noticed there's a groove over here. So what I do is I take the whole and back from here. I draw this M. ठीक है. If you actually notice you have to you will know that the lingual cusps are the M and the buccal cusps are actually वो कैसे बोलूँ सी लिंगुअल कस्प एम होगा और बक्कल कस्प विल जस्ट बी फॉलोइंग इट. सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस ऐसे फॉलोइंग इट. ओके सो दिस विल बी द एम एंड दिस विल बी फॉलोइंग इट. सो व्हाट आई डू इज पहले ये ग्रूव ऐसे और ऐसे बनाती हूँ. लाइक डोंट ओवरवर्क इट. इफ यू ओवरवर्क इट देन दैट once it sets it will start producing that sound and all that. And it will start giving scratches. So सिर्फ one movement like this and one movement like this छोड़ देती हूँ बस. Now this ridge what I do is like what you can either do this but this is little complicated. Whole and back को ऐसे पकड़ के from this groove you go deep in and you have to come out like this. तो यहाँ एक triangle shaped V होगा. That is from this groove I told you there's one groove here which is a part of this buckle. So from here you can hold it like this. Hold it with your ऐसे पकड़ लो पकड़ने के बाद hold it like this and go this way. From this groove go deep in and come out. Deep in and come out. Okay. उसके बाद what I do is now this lingual part is little complicated to work as fast as possible. So before that ये करने के बाद now you are talking about the distal groove. Now distal groove I don't overthink it. See I know this is the level of the adjacent tooth, so I have to keep it at this level. So what I do is after making this distal cusp को एक बार ड्रॉ करने के बाद मैं ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. आई जस्ट ड्रॉ इट एंड देन आई कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस एंड आई गो लाइक दिस. डोंट प्रेस इट डीप इन. ऐसे करोगे तो बहुत लाइक गड्ढा जैसा हो जाएगा. वी नीड टू गेट इट एट दिस हाइट. एट द सेम टाइम वी नीड अ ग्रूव ओवर हियर. सो जस्ट गो वेरी स्मूथ लाइक ऊपर जा लाइक यू एलिवेटिंग बट एट द सेम टाइम यू आर ड्रॉइंग अ ग्रूव. सो ऐसे करने के बाद स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर go this way and ऊपर the movement should be towards the occlusal aspect. At the same time there's a groove. So ऐसे अगर करोगे तो you will get a distal cusp. At the same time that you can see a very small, if you can see a very small minute very ridge over here. Okay, so just hold it like this and ऊपर जाओ बस. उसके बाद okay, now if you see there's so many see once it's set मैं work कर रही हूँ. See how many scratches are coming on it. So you do it very fast and before it sets. Okay, next what I do is this cusp. This cusp is a little tricky. Earlier what I used to do is I used to just build it up, but what happened, like you remember Tejas pointed out that mine never used to go towards the center. It always used to go towards the opposite cusp. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Keep in mind that you have to go towards the center. So what you do is you hold the Hollenbach like this. Now you have got this groove. So your aim should be to get a central ridge. So यहाँ touch ही मत करो, यहाँ पकड़ के नीचे थोड़ा जाओ like this. Okay, don't, so you will maintain elevation over here and यहाँ depression. Don't press. Okay, be very careful, because I told you here also elevation, here also धीरे से you need to go to that. If you press it, गड्ढा बन जाएगा. You need to get it at the same height. So थोड़ा down, 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 and slowly. Okay, so you get this elevation. So again, from here you have got the central central ridge, and you can leave. Okay, this हो गया. अभी now before you do this, there's something else that we can do. ये भी बन गया. अभी what you can do is, this cusp, you will have this cusp remaining. So what you do over here is hold this. Okay, hold this like this and ऐसे straight बनाओ. थोड़ा नीचे, like go try to get it at the level of this groove. Okay, safer, just try to get it the level of this groove. So till here you just go like this. After that, change the movement of your Hollenbach. Hold the Hollenbach like this and hold it like this and along this cusp. Okay, so you remember, I need to get my groove here and I need to go along the cusp at this particular point. So I hold my Hollenbach like this and I hold it like, and if you want, you just take a reference from this ऐसा, the angle, take a reference from this particular adjacent tooth. So ऐसे पकड़ के just draw one line over here, just draw one. Okay, if you want to do this, come towards the medial थोड़ा. So if you do that, medial अगर तुम करोगे, तो what happens is you will get a nice, यहाँ भी एक, that if you notice there's a flat, there's some kind of कैसे बोलूँ, plane is different over here. तो what you can do is ऐसा पकड़ के you're going to get it like this and थोड़ा like this, and always be, and by then you would have removed the band. So keep making sure that it is in line. Sorry, off camera. Okay, so make sure, अगर तुम ऐसा भी देखोगे, okay, कैसे, हाँ, can't see it. Okay, so just make sure you keep doing this. So if you see this, what I'm trying to say is, यहाँ if you see there's one kind of flat over here, so try to get that. So यहाँ with the tooth you do this. Sorry, off camera again. Okay, so what I'll try to do here is, दिख नहीं रहा इसलिए. Okay, try to get this. ऐसा करो, ऐसा करोगे तो it will merge over here. At the same time, what you do is यहाँ भी merge करना है. Okay, so you just hold it like this, do this. So here you have got this motion. If you want, you can do the same thing here. यहाँ we did ना, ऐसे from this groove. तो यहाँ एक groove that you have made. So from this groove ऐसे जाओ, और that is at the central groove, and from here you orient it according to the angulation from the adjacent tooth, or even the opposite, whatever you want. So draw it along this groove and bring it ऐसे towards the lingual surface. Now you have got this, surface also, like I told you, with the central groove and central ridge. So then what you do over here is, finally this one, you already have the groove here. So from this ridge you merge it with this groove. ज़्यादा force मत डालना कहीं भी, don't put too much force, because it will become like as if you have drawn it and गड्ढा जैसे. It should look natural. So try to ऐसे धीरे very slow motion करने के बाद, this is very important, ये भी कर लो, और make sure you proximal भी overhang कुछ ना हो. Okay, proximal overhang कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसे सब कुछ करने के बाद, then once you kind of got it, then just take a ball burnisher and same very slowly run the thing and finish it off. Finally what you do is take a cotton, a dry cotton, wet cotton while you're working, ड्राई कॉटन लेके just wipe it off. Okay, dry cotton लेके wipe it lingually and wipe it buccally, it will give you one, जो भी shine हो सकता है. Okay, now see, working on it, once it is set, it will become it will give you that cracked look. So wipe karo and that's it. I don't know if it's clear, but be very careful, that you have to remove the proximal overhangs. Proximal overhangs nahi hona chahiye. So you have to remove all that. But yeah, just let me know if it's clear. Yeah, so instrument, as I was saying, just this Hollenbach, I only use this. Because earlier what I used to do was, I used to use वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, excavator, even I think excavator, some people teach that. एक्सकवेटर लेके मैं करती थी. ओके, क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों. हाँ, एक्सकवेटर लेके मैं at this point, to get this ridge and to get this ridge and this ridge, excavator से थोड़ा I used to dig out over here and थोड़ा I used to dig out over here, but it never used to look very natural. So now I use only the Hollenbach, and I don't know if they'll provide an excavator. So if they don't provide the excavator, then we are in a fix now. So I practice only with Hollenbach, this end, and ball burnisher, and sometimes ridge. What we can do is this portion of the ridge now. Okay, off focus, I don't know. This portion of the ridge, I sometimes use the ball burnisher to give it a smooth, if I cannot work on it too much. Sorry. So uske liye bhi you can use it. Yeah, anyways, let me know if it's clear.